Lionsgate Club Lounge.
Good evening, sir. This is Leah Wannell.
Oh, Miss Wannell. What can I do for you this evening, ma'am? Do you want to speak to Mr. Hackle?
Oh, that won't be necessary, darling. I know he can't take my call right now.
Are you sure? Because he's just upstairs, and I...
What's your name again?
I'm... Sorry, ma'am?
Your name, sir. You never gave it when you answered. I know my father owns the place. We've told our staff to properly greet our callers by their names. Sounds much more formal, wouldn't you agree?
It's Zach. Zachary Harris.
Well, Zachary, I'm going to give you a second chance now to make a better impression. So, how are the club's profits this month?
I don't do that kind of work, ma'am. That's Mr. Hackle's job. My job is customer service, and I double as the club's freight manager.
I see. So, as the freight manager, can you explain to me why my father's shipment is missing once again?
That's on Mr. McDonald's side, ma'am, not ours.
Oh, really? Because I just got off the phone with him 2 minutes ago, and he said he took care of that issue weeks ago.
I have no recollection of that, ma'am.
Oh, I think you do. Especially since Mr. Hackle also told me that you cleared the inventory this week. Now, Mr. Harris, I'm going to ask you one more time. Where is our shipment?
If I had any idea, Miss Wannell, believe me, I would tell you. I'm sorry.
I understand. Could you be polite and open the door for me?
Excuse me, ma'am?
The upstairs door, please.
The upstairs door? Wait a minute. Oh, you're here? Oh, God, Mr. Hackle! Let me go! Miss Wannell, please! I have 2 daughters!
Stop your whining and listen up. You see, Zachary, due to recent events, we've had to make some difficult choices. Budget cuts, if you will. My father has asked me to make a list of who stays and who goes. And I'm afraid, darling, you're not on it.
Miss Wannell, please don't.
Don't worry. I'll make sure your girls are well taken care of.
Please don't.
Really, Paulie? You could have at least waited till I got the names of the girls first. Oh well. Shame that. Tommy, you can go fetch Officer Barton. Paulie, you can drag Mr. Hackle's carcass out of here. At least make it convincing. Oh, Officer Barton, thank goodness you're here. I'd like to report a terrible crime. I have 2 employees who were tragically gunned down.
You're a real piece of work, Leah, you know that?
Come now. Let's not ruin a good thing. You help us clean up the mess. And we keep Metro's finest on our payroll.
I'm only doing this for my family.
Well, of course. Maybe one day your partner, Officer Goings, will wise up and help us out.
Good luck with that.
Oh, I don't believe in luck. Only leverage. You, of all people, should know that. And so will Anthony McDonald.
I'll call it in when you guys are gone.
Thanks, love. I know I can always count on you. You and your son have a fantastic time this weekend at the park.